In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Margin Calculator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check the margin required for a Forex trade, so you can plan positions with confidence and manage your risk more effectively. First, open your browser and head to the Myfxbook website. Once you're on the home page, look for the top menu and hover over or click on Tools. From there, choose Forex Calculators. This section brings together several helpful utilities, and for this walkthrough, we're focusing on the Margin Calculator. Go ahead and select Margin Calculator to open the tool. You'll see a few simple fields to fill out, starting with currency pair. This is the pair you intend to trade, for example, EUR/USD. Pick the pair you're analyzing so the calculator uses the correct market price and pip structure. Choosing the right pair matters because margin is influenced by the price of the instrument you're trading. Next, choose your account currency. If your trading account is in USD, select USD. If it's in another currency, select that instead. This ensures the required margin is displayed in the same currency as your account, and the calculator will handle any necessary conversions in the background for clarity and consistency. Now, set the margin ratio, also called leverage. Common options include 150, 1/100, or 1/500. Higher leverage reduces the margin required per trade but increases risk exposure, while lower leverage requires more margin but can limit downside. Select the leverage that matches your broker's setting for your account so the calculation reflects your real trading conditions. Then, enter your trade size in lots. A value of 0.01 represents a micro lot, 0.1 is a mini lot, and 1.2 is a standard lot. Think of lots as the size of your position. Larger lots require more margin. If you're still building confidence or testing a strategy, smaller lot sizes can help keep required margin and overall risk lower. When everything is set, click Calculate. The tool will instantly display the required margin for that specific setup. Use this number to verify you have enough free margin in your account and to compare how changes in pair, leverage, or lot size affect your requirements. If something looks off, double-check that the account currency and leverage match your broker's settings and confirm you selected the correct pair and trade size. That's all there is to it. By using the Myfxbook Margin Calculator before placing a trade, you'll avoid surprises, size positions more intelligently, and keep your risk management on track. Thanks for watching, and happy, well-planned trading.